Hi, my name is Aman. I'm a commercial travel and documentary photographer based out of Bangalore.
Hi, Aman. What genre of photography are you into?
So I'm into multiple things. I do a lot of commercial work. I do a lot of product photography. But at my heart, I like to pursue documentary photography. That's what really speaks to me. Documentary and landscapes.
How important is storytelling in photography?
So storytelling is everything in not just photography, but in anything in life. I read this saying once that says that at the end of the day, we are the stories we consume and the stories we tell. So in photography, in design, in any work that you're doing, the story that's coming out is the main thing. So yeah, it's paramount in photography.
How do you educate yourself to take better pictures?
I try to learn to see better. I feel if we can see better, then we can take better pictures. So I try to do that. I try to see the work of people who inspire me every day and better my eye.
Whose work has influenced you the most?
So that's a very good question. There are different genres. If you look at landscape, the work of Ansel Adams is something I really look up to. The work of Sebastian Salgado and Ansel Adams have greatly influenced me over there. And in documentary, you have Robert Capa, you have Steve McCurry, the great reportage photographers.
According to you, what is the importance of printing and framing a picture?
So, see, I've been introduced to printing and framing quite late. I was born in the 90s, so by the time I was old enough to handle a camera, they were all digital cameras and we had computer screens. So, you never really felt the need to print. And so my growing up years in photography were all digital, so I was never introduced to that art form. The first picture I printed, I think, was in 2016. It was a small postcard that I printed, and that's when my fascination with printing started. Because when you hold your picture in your hand, it becomes something tangible. As long as it's in your hard disk or in your computer, one delete button and it's gone. But in your hand, it's something real. So I think printing is extremely important for you to appreciate your art even more.
How did you come across honeycomb or photostop?
So I remember when I was first printing my photographs, I was printing them on normal photo paper, which was not that great quality. That's because I didn't know any better. And I searched on the internet and I came across this word. I still don't know how to pronounce this. It's Gicle.
Giclée.
Giclée. And so I just searched Giclée printers Bangalore, and that was honeycomb was the first link that came up. So I called you guys and we had a conversation. And then I came down here, and that's when I actually discovered what archival prints are, how printing is done properly. Then I got in touch with the right people, I educated myself more, and that's how I started working with you guys. So I think the first print we did was in 2019, which was my personal collection of this print. And yeah, now here we are.
Can you share your experience about honeycomb in few words?
Yeah, it's been fantastic. I think it's been fantastic because it's been very reliable. Every time I've come here, it's been the same experience. I know that I can trust you guys with my photos. And especially since I've started selling my prints commercially, the reliability factor is very important for me. So yeah, it's fantastic work and it's reliable work, so I would highly recommend it to others. So these are three prints of mine. This one is called Al Nahar. This is from the Zanskar Valley in Ladakh. This one is called Only Lovers Remain, which is from the opposite side of the Yamuna in Taj Mahal. And this is called Life on the Dal, which is from the Dal Lake in Srinagar. They've been captured over the last 2 years.